We'll guide you through how to use the Fusion page in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the Fusion page by clicking on the Fusion tab at the bottom of the interface. Once you're there, you'll see the node editor in the middle, the inspector panel on the right, and the media pool on the left. To start creating a composite, you need to drag your media from the media pool into the node editor. You'll see your media represented as nodes. These nodes are the building blocks for your visual effects and motion graphics. Next, you want to connect these nodes to create a flow. Think of it like a flowchart. The output of one node goes into the input of the next. For example, if you want to add a blur effect, you can add a blur node by right-clicking in the node editor and selecting Add Tool. Then go to Blur and choose the type of blur you want. Connect the output of your media node to the input of the blur node. Then connect the output of the blur node to the media out node, which sends the final result to the edit page. You can adjust the parameters of any node by selecting it and using the inspector panel. The inspector lets you tweak settings like intensity, size, and more. Play around with these settings to achieve the desired effect. You can add multiple nodes to create complex effects by layering different tools and adjustments. Once you're satisfied with your composition, you can go back to the edit page to see how it integrates with the rest of your timeline. The Fusion page is incredibly powerful, allowing you to create anything from simple titles to complex visual effects. Don't be afraid to experiment with different nodes and settings to see what you can create. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.